Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8 subject Social Science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is What is Around Us. Dear children, here we have done the revision. So this is the part 1 of the revision of chapter number 2. Dear children, already we have learned the second chapter from the textbook. In this chapter, you know very well that main four sphere we have to learn. Which four sphere is there? One is a lithosphere, second one is a hydrosphere, third one is a atmosphere, and fourth one is a biosphere. These main four sphere are important in this chapter. Now, dear children, one by one we have to study about the detailed form of this sphere and the existence of the earth also. So dear children, first here I am writing that what is the most distinct characteristic of the earth. What I am written that here, which are the characteristic of the distinction of the earth. The earth is one of the member of the solar family. Dear children, you know very well that the earth is one of the member of the solar family. Unlike the other member, if you to see the other member of the solar family, only earth has a temperature suitable for the sustaining life. What happens, dear children? If you have to see the other member of the solar family, only earth has a temperature. The temperature is suitable for the sustaining life of the human beings, animal, birds, animal, and it means for all the living creatures. The other member of the solar family do not have the air and the water. Dear children, be remember, the other member of the solar family do not have air and water which are necessary for the sustaining a life. Dear children, for sustaining a life we require the three things. One is a food, water and the air. But in earth we get all these things. But other member of the solar family, here air, water is not there. That's why we can say that this air, water are necessary for the sustaining life. Thus, the most distinct characteristic of earth is the ability to sustain and the support the living organisms. Which is the main characteristic of the earth, dear children? The main characteristic of organism is to ability to support the living creature, and that's why the earth has a living for the sustaining the people of the life. Now, dear children, next that write a note on the birth of the sphere of the earth. What I have written, dear children, here write a note on the birth of the sphere of the earth. Now, in the second way, they will to ask the question that how did the sphere of the earth come into the existence? If I put this prepare this question into the second form, the turn way, then how I am asking this question that how did the sphere of the earth come into the existence? Dear children, you know very well that first a small ball detached from the sun which later came to be known as the earth. Dear children, you know very well that first a ball, small ball is detached from the sun, which later came to be known as the earth. Thus, at the time of its origin, the earth was in the form of the fireball. Slowly, this fireball started cooling down. At time this time, many elements of the earth got transformed into the liquid form and few other into the solid form. What happened, dear children? As the passage of the time, the many element of the earth would transform into the which form? Into the liquid form, and few other into the solid form. The element which transform into the liquid form, dear children, we remember what? The element which transform into the liquid form were called as a hydrosphere. It means you remember hydrosphere, liquid. While the element which got transformed into the solid form came to be known as a lithosphere. It means lithosphere, solid, hydrosphere, liquid. And already these things we learn into the chapter 2. Same way, what happened there? A few elements were also transformed into the gases, and they gave the birth to the atmosphere of the earth. That's why atmosphere, it means you have to remember the gases. Gradually life developed on the earth due to the land and the crust of the lithosphere. The water drink from the hydrosphere and the breathe from the atmosphere, and this is known as a biosphere. Biosphere, it means about three sphere. Which sphere? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere are the combine or combination is included into the biosphere. In this way we can say that this four sphere of the earth came into the existence. Dear children, last one, that write a short note on the lithosphere. So in this question we have see the four sphere. Now we have studied in the detailed form of one by one sphere. Here first of all I am write down that write short note about the lithosphere. Which one, dear children? Lithosphere. Now first, vein of fireball. What happened, dear children? Vein of fireball, which later came to be known as the earth, detached from the sun and cooled down. Certain element transformed into the solid form, which came to be known as a lithosphere. Dear children, you know very well that when a fireball detached from the sun and cooled down, certain element transformed into the which form? Into the solid form, and this solid form is known as a lithosphere. So dear children, here you remember that lithosphere, it means which form? Solid form. Thus we can say that the part of the land on the earth. That's why what happened? The part of the land on the earth. Which part, dear children? Solid form. Solid form, it means land form. The part of the land on the earth on which we live is known as a lithosphere. What is the definition of lithosphere? The part of the land on the earth on which we are live is known as a lithosphere. Lithosphere gets its name from where? This name is getting, the lithosphere gets its name from litho, which means solid, and sphere means layer. So dear children, lithosphere gets its name from litho, which means solid, and sphere, it means layer. The upper crust of the earth is made up of layer containing soil and solid material like rock. Hence lithosphere is also known as a soil covering. So dear children, we can say that the lithosphere is also called as a soil covering. The lithosphere is made up of substance like soil and rock. What happened, dear children? Here lithosphere is made up of substance like soil and the rocks. It is also contain molten liquid of the rocks, which is known as a magma. Magma is always found in the core or deep in the interior of the earth. Where we can find out the magma? Magma is always found in the core or deep in the interior of the earth. Apart from this, the interior of the earth also contains the many gases. Dear children, you know very well that apart from this, interior of the earth is also contain the many gases. As we move into the interior of the earth, the lithosphere and the temperature is increasing. The lithosphere composed of the many different form of the land, such as plains, plateau, valley and the mountain. What happened, dear children? Here we can say that lithosphere is composed of many different forms. Now which are the different form of the land? Plains, plateau, valley and the mountains. If you see that approximately 29%, how much, dear children? Approximately 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with the lithosphere. How much percentage? 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with the lithosphere, and the lithosphere is 64 to 100 kilometer thick. How much, dear children? 64 to 100 kilometer thick lithosphere is there. And the thickness of the layer of the lithosphere varies from place to the place. And dear children, you know very well that the thickness of this lithosphere is different from the various places. Also, the shape of the lithosphere does not remain the same. Remember, dear children, what happened? The shape of the lithosphere does not remain the same, whether on the exterior of the earth or into the interior of the earth. So, dear children, today in the revision part 1 of the chapter number 2, we learned that one is the distinct characteristic of earth after the birth of the sphere of the earth, and in the detailed form we have to learn about the lithosphere. Thank you, dear children.